Hi, I'm Helen from Woolly Chic, and here's my top tip for joining a second colour into a chain space. So to join your next colour into a chain space, you want to make sure that it's really secure and doesn't start to unravel. So to do this, you put your hook into the chain space, catch a loop of yarn and pull it through, and then holding on to the tail and the working yarn, you then put your hook under and around and pulling both of those strands through the loop that's on your hook. Then you can let go of the tail, give it a bit of a tug, and away you go. You can continue with the pattern. And there we are, we've joined our second colour. So let me show you that again. I'm going to put my hook into the chain space, catch a loop of yarn and pull it through the chain space, then holding on to the tail and the working yarn, I'm going to put my hook under and pull through the loop that's on my hook. Then I'm going to let go of the tail, give that a tug and pull it out of the way, and there I've made a join, and that wasn't a stitch, it was just a join. So then I can continue with the pattern, and in this case making 3 chains. And there we are, I've joined the turquoise into the blue chain space. Thank you for watching this YouTube crochet tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please click on the like button below and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more top tips and tutorials on how to crochet.